Samsung has just released another software update for the S25 Ultra. At first glance, it looks like another monthly security update, but this update quietly fixes 57 security vulnerabilities, and there's one question everyone is asking: should I install it immediately or can I safely skip it? Let's find out. Welcome back to Galaxy Station. If you are using Samsung Galaxy S25 family phones, don't update just yet, because in this video I will show you exactly what's inside this update, whether there are any hidden changes, and finally I will tell you if it's actually worth installing today. If you enjoy Samsung tips, software updates and Galaxy news, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's begin with the official details, but first I am downloading the update. Today my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra received a new software update. Here's the details. One UI versions remains 8.5. Android version remains Android 16. Update size is 567.67 MB. Security patch level July 5, 2026. So this is not One UI 9. It is a maintenance update focused on security and system optimization. Later in this video, I will also tell you whether I noticed any hidden improvements during this short term of testing. While the phone is downloading and installing the update, let's see what's actually Samsung changed. Samsung hasn't not announced any new features for this release. Instead, this update focuses on making my phone more secure and reliable. According to Samsung, the July 2026 security patch fixes 57 security vulnerabilities. That includes 41 Android security issues from Google and 16 Samsung specific vulnerabilities. Among them are 5 critical, 42 high risk, and 7 moderate risk issues. So while you may not notice any visual difference, your phone becomes significantly more secure after installing this update. By the way, which Galaxy phone are you using and updating today? Let me know in the comments. I enjoy seeing other Galaxy devices which you guys are using. Now comes the interesting part. Did Samsung secretly add anything? I have searched over the internet for the answer. I couldn't find any new One UI features, no new Galaxy AI tools, no new UI redesigned. And this is expected because this is a routine monthly maintenance update. However, updates like this usually include improved system stability, background optimization, smoother animations, and minor bug fixes. Although Samsung doesn't publish a detailed list for every optimization. So, should you expect better battery life? Probably not immediately. Battery optimization usually happens automatically over several charging cycles. Performance: you probably won't notice any dramatic improvements or change, but the phone should continue running smoothly. Camera: no new camera feature are included. Gaming: no new gaming related improvements have been officially noticed or announced. But here's the most important question: should you actually install this update now? My answer is yes. If your Galaxy S25 Ultra is already running One UI 8.5, not only S25 Ultra, any device, I recommend installing this update immediately, because better security, improved stability, bug fixes, and no major reported issues so far. Since this is not a major Android update, the risk of unexpected bugs is generally much lower than with a full new One UI release. So this update may not seem exciting, but it's definitely recommended. That's everything about the latest July 26 update for the S25 Ultra. If you have already installed it, let everyone know your experiences in the comments, whether you have noticed any improvements or any problems. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to Galaxy Station and turn on notification, because I will continue testing this update over the next few days. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.